Hey guys, I'm back with a new video, and today's video is all about my 2020 grocery haul at Trader Joe's. This is something that I normally don't do, is shop at Trader Joe's. It's one of those things where it's just randomly, and when I went to Trader Joe's today, it's almost like Christmas because you just find new things. So this is the stuff that I picked up. I'm gonna quickly go through this because I feel like some of the stuff is just very explanatory, but I'll just quickly run through what I picked up, tell you what the total is, and be done with this haul. So first off, I've got some coconut water, some green tea, we've got some mushrooms, two of our favorite salads. I usually get the broccoli slaw, and my daughter likes the lemon chicken arugula salad. We also picked up some Greek coconut cream yogurt. I've never tried this particular line yet, but you know, I'm assuming it's good. We also picked up some mashed potatoes, some rice cauliflower stir fry. I saw this on someone else's vlog, and I can't remember who I actually saw this from, but it looked good, so I decided to pick it up. I also picked up some hot Italian sausage, which I'll break up and put in a quick pasta dish later on in the week, or maybe next week. And I also picked up some chicken legs. I have some cauliflower and cheese ravioli my daughter wanted to pick up. She's on this ravioli kick lately. I've picked up some mahi fish for a quick dinner later on in the week. Some banana bread, which I've not seen there, but I picked this up for my husband because he wanted something quick for breakfast. Got some bananas because we go through those rather quickly in our household. I have 2 limes in this bag. We picked up some curry, some Indian kind of based frozen meals. I've never tried these two, so you know, we'll give it a shot. So that's one for me and one for my husband. My daughter loves this mac and cheese. It's a huge portion. It's a big portion, so technically you can get 2 meals or sometimes stretch it out to 3 meals, but there's a mac and cheese dinner. And then we've got some organic, I don't know if this is organic, but this is some brown rice. I'd like to have that in stock. She picked up some vanilla mochi, and then I also picked up some 2 jars of vodka sauce. I like to just get extra sauce just in case. And then I found this here. I wanted something sweet, so I picked up the bite-size crispy cookies with Belgian chocolate. I think that's pretty much it. So the grand total for this particular grocery trip, I think, came out to $72.91. It's a little much because I know I could do better at a normal grocery store if I planned. This was an unplanned trip, and this is what I spent going crazy at Trader Joe's this evening. All right, if you like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.